will happen to him?
I will send one food so I could document it and listen back.
Hi Jenna, are you guys?
No, no.
Okay, good. Where's your mother?
She's working in my neighbor's house.
Let's go to the rest and back of it again.
No, I need to stay at home.
What the heavens are you want? By the way, let me see your Christmas dress.
I don't have anything. Mom said we don't have money to buy it.
I'm sorry for the delay. I got you the dress. Okay, bye. Bye.
This is my storybook. Read my storybook.
No way.
Dad, please buy me new toys. Tomorrow will be Christmas Eve. There's no other time. Oh, please.
Okay, good. What do you want?
Machine gun, bumblebee, and the max.
Well, first we buy tomorrow.
Yes, now we can continue.
Hi, Emmanuel.
Hi, I've read it in solo.
I know I want to touch an house.
Did you invite him to come here?
Yes, but he need to stay at home. I got a pity on him.
Why?
His father and his from last year, they were so poor, they don't even have money to buy a new dress for this Christmas.
What did you just say?
My friends and some family were so poor. They don't have money to buy new for this Christmas.
Oh, that was so sad.
Come on, Sissy, let's play a game.
Manuel, your father read your storybook.
Yes, I know.
Mom, tomorrow is Christmas Eve. I need to buy it and also can you buy me a doll?
Oh, my lovely son, you are the best son I've ever had. And I will understand all the things. We shall give you money for your school. It almost never we shall pay our school fee and others.
Okay, Mom, I understand. I never asked you and love you, Mom. I'm going to sleep now.
Son, your mom is so poor. Please forgive me for not doing what you want. Lord, help me to fix my problem. I have a little son, but I have nothing to buy what he left. Please help me to make him happy and bring the neighbors to the class. Amen.
Did you bring our money?
Yes, and then your father gave you money.
Yes, sure, but what do you want?
My cousin Jeremy will give you welcome too.
Okay, good, let's wait then.
Did you wake us up?
No, we can go now.
Sissy, what are you thinking? I'm thinking about Johnson. We all know that they were so poor. I did not invite him to come with us. Well, I must have helped him come in and listen me, but I thought it's too sad. Okay, guys, I have an idea. We all have money now. We already got new clothes. Let's spend our money to buy something for him so we can bless it for him.
That's a good idea, let's buy him little, let's run over, let's go.
Dear children, are you saying about your friend Santana?
Yes, we want to help him.
That's a good idea. I know you. Come on, let's go. Mom, tomorrow will be Christmas. Do you go to church?
Yes, sure, why not?
But I didn't have any clothes. But my friends will get surprised when they see me.
My son, your height is more important than your new clothes. Do you understand?
You are smart.
Good boy.
No.
Come in.
Surprise!
Oh, come inside. Be seated. Be seated.
Tan. We have something for you. It's a gift from your friends.
Guys, thanks for the gift. Thanks a lot.
The lovely friend you are.
This is money buy new clothes for your son. I hope you are not too late.
What surprising this. Thank you so much. Thanks God. Come on, let's go and buy new clothes for Tansana. Come on.
Life is beautiful when someone help the other, be faithful, so a blessing will come to be a blessing for this Christmas.
Okay, test 2, class 1 and class 2. Drama for your amazing drama.